Hi guys, it's Miss Sydney. I'm here with another book today, and this one doesn't really tell us what it's about yet. It's just saying it looked like spilt milk. And looking at the pictures, I see a lot of different white shapes of different things. I recognize some of them, and some of them I'm not sure what they are, but it doesn't say exactly what looked like spilt milk. So we'll have to take a look. It Looked Like Spilt Milk by Charles G. Shaw. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk, but it wasn't spilt milk. What is it? Sometimes it looked like a rabbit, but it wasn't a rabbit. I see that bushy tail and the two ears. Sometimes it looked like a bird, but it wasn't a bird either. Two wings on the side, the tail on the back, soaring through the sky. Sometimes it looked like a tree. You got it. But it wasn't a tree. And this one's a little bit more difficult. What do you think it looks like? Sometimes it looked like an ice cream cone. Destiny's favorite dessert. But it wasn't an ice cream cone. Oh, that makes me a little sad. I do love ice cream. Sometimes it looked like a flower, but it wasn't a flower. So here's the stem, the leaves, and the petals at the top. Sometimes it looked like a pig. Oink, oink. But it wasn't a pig. This one's a little tricky too. Because when I look at it, I kind of see a sailboat. But it sometimes looked like a birthday cake. But it was not a birthday cake. Sometimes it looked like a sheep. But it wasn't a sheep. Bah. Oh, this one's hard too. But if I read this page, it tells me what it is. Sometimes it looked like a great horned owl. Whoo, whoo. But it was not a great horned owl. Sometimes it looked like a mitten. But it wasn't a mitten. Sometimes it looked like a squirrel, but it wasn't a squirrel. Sometimes it looked like an angel, but it wasn't an angel. Now we're going to find out what it actually is talking about. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk, but it wasn't spilt milk. It was just a cloud in the sky. That's what we've been reading about, the different shapes of clouds. That's the end of our story. Let's take a look. Here's the front of our book. Here's the spine. And here is the back. Remember, we're guessing if it's one big picture or if it's two separate. And if I look, when I open, you're definitely right. I see two separate pictures. Alright, I have a quick song about clouds, but it's not just about clouds. It's kind of about how they're formed and what comes out of them. My pre-K friends know this as the water cycle song. We're going to make our cloud with condensation. We're going to rain, sleet, snow, or hail down as precipitation, and then we're going to evaporate as a gas, go back up into the sky to get ready for our clouds. You do the song twice, but because it's a cycle, it goes on and on and on and on, okay? So you can do it as many times as you want. Just make sure that we're listening to our family at home, okay? Gerard decided to join me for the water cycle song, so everyone get your clouds out, and we'll start at the top. Condensation, precipitation, evaporation on my mind. This is just the water cycle, and it happens all the time. Condensation, precipitation, evaporation, on my mind. This is just the water cycle, and it happens all the time. All right, everyone, let me know what kind of clouds you see outside today, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.